I can't do it anymore. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We got a busy day, so we got a lot of people coming in. You guys are familiar with TJ Hunt and Calvin. They're coming in. We have some representatives from 3M coming in, which is one of our main vinyl distributors. So we're honored to have them in. And then we also have AC Delco coming in. AC Delco, tool company, sponsors the shop. They've always taken care of us. And they're coming in today for a little surprise visit. So a lot of cool stuff happening today at the shop, maybe not all wrap related. I guess that's not true because I am finishing up the M3 E36 out there that we're doing a custom livery on also. I don't know, let's walk in. There's some cool stuff that I heard is in here I want to show you guys. Oh. Dude, peep these out. Please. Yo, this man killed it. You killed it, dude. Those are badass. Those are badass. Look at these, dude. Look at these. Little tiger camo I eat ass with the metallic flake.
Come out in this.
That's dope. This one is Dustin Williams car. Very cool. Collaboration with Supercar Suspects. Pretty awesome, dude. These are really cool too. I love these. Woo! Look at you, bro. Thank you.
For sure, dude.
I want to wrap my whole truck in that. Just in BAM. In BAM. What do you guys think? Should I wrap it all in BAM? Let's go look at progress on the M3. I didn't really film much last night. Me and Christian stayed here pretty late trying to knock as much out as we could. Car started off as a blue base coat. This is painted. And then we laid white. So basically what we're doing is creating this back of the car is all gonna be white, coming all the way around. You're seeing it like in its early stages. There's still a lot to wrap, but you see everything wrapped all the way through. Coming to this side, you see now how we're gonna break it up. We're utilizing the paint versus vinyl. So if you see here, white, now you got paint color, and then our stripes are going in. And what that's trying to do here is we're working with the M3 logo, just doing our own flip on it to kind of create a custom livery, which is here. The owner of this vehicle owns a construction company, so what he wanted to do was tie in all of his construction logos and kind of just make it his track car with his business on it. So Christian tied all those knots together and created this, and now we're gonna make it happen. While we're having these meetings, I'll also be wrapping this and trying to get this thing done. Can't wait to have this one done because I think it's gonna look really cool. I'm hyped on it. All right, we're all hyped on it. Let's eat some donuts. Get out of here!
What's up?
Boys? How are you guys?
Good.
How's it going, bro? Turf Wars again. Turf Wars again, baby.
TJ Hunt! This is the crew here.
Hello.
Hi, I'm
Anthony,
Jefe.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mitchell.
Mitchell.
Hello. Anthony, nice to meet you.
Johnnee. Yeah, don't try.
And like I told you
Anthony.
before, like everything we do is super all day. Cameras are always up all over the place. And I guess that's why you guys know about us.
Absolutely.
You know?
That's how I found you guys. Yeah.
Calvin has no idea. Started off right.
Right there, right there. Damn. We're gonna put that on. Put that on my car, dude. When it's wrapped.
You know, we out here trying to make things happen at premium. I'm extra premium out here. We gave them this. You know, you can buy this on their website. We're so nice to give them. Ours says extra supremium, but you know, supremium works just fine. Check it out on the website. Right here. Right here. The color is gonna be.
I don't even know what the actual color is called.
No, it's gloss. It's gonna be gloss.
That's it?
Wow. That's exactly what I want. That!
How'd your meetings go?
The meetings
You've
are amazing.
been bouncing around.
They're still going, so we're gonna go to lunch to continue with AC Delco. But the meetings were amazing.
How's 3M?
Dirty? 3M was amazing. Janelle, I've dealt with her for the last year, and she's been nothing but great to me. She's sponsored the shop. She's countless projects she's got involved with. To say a few, Dustin Williams, 3M provided the material. Dominic Cruz, 3M provided the material. Some of TJ's wraps, 3M provided the material. Now moving forward, Calvin's car, 3M's gonna provide the material as well. So I guess all I can just keep saying is thank you, because that's really cool that we're getting support from major brands and major companies like that. And now we're gonna go back out and meet with AC Delco about some tools, because the shop desperately needs tools. Our 10 mil socket, if you guys know about that, it's always missing. Let's go.
There's a little hair in my pants.
Where we going, bro?
We are going to lunch, if you can even see me, because I know I'm dark as hell and I'm Asian, but we are going to lunch. We're gonna get the most greasiest f***ing pizza we can find in f***ing Riverside. So. Your pizza sweating?
Yeah. I'm trying to wipe off my pizza sweat so I won't be sweating later.
That's a dope color.
My car's blocked here is like,
Please.
Give him the rest.
Actually, those are free, man. Hey, bro, I made them. I'm just kidding.
Got some new slap spit. Oh, baby.
oh, that's pretty cool.
See you guys.
Damn, what?
What? No.
You're like on a metallic.
Oh man. What is that?
These are yours.
Bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So we were just
That is so
Like a-
sick. Thank you, bro.
Of course, bro. Of course, man.
Later, buddy. I'm gonna leave it on there.
I guess that's a good place.
Hey,
Let's go shoot out now.
is that my exhaust so when I f you on the track?
What do you got?
Oh, it says, oh, wrap gloves.
It says, oh, wrap gloves to premium auto styling. Yeah, buddy. Yo, hey. Wrap glove does not play around when they say, we're going to hook you up. They got the green bag. They got the black bag. I like these. Wrap glove. 2 wrap glove. Okay, you know what? Let's give one away. So, if you guys want a wrap glove, if you're wrapping cars and you want one of these, all you got to do is comment wrap glove. That's the hashtag. And we'll randomly pick one and we'll give a glove away for sure. We use them all the time here.
Oh my god.
Nice band.
More spies.
Oh my god.
Want more spies. I did not know this was
would've
gonna
been
be
a lot
a thing.
easier.
I did not know this was
What's
gonna
up?
be a
What's
thing.
up?
TJ, why'd you have that in your back pocket, bro? Calvin, do not do that. No, Calvin.
Way too good at that. He's just like.
Oh!
Can we stop throwing dicks around?
No,
trying to
it's
go
a
home.
dick, Div. How's it feel?
To throw dildos around?
No, to give out your truck.
It's cool. It's Dude, it feels weird to like sell the truck like that. Like out of nowhere, he's like, yo, I want the truck, and you sold it.
Damn. Ballsy.
I guess it's back to this. I'm going broke, so I had to get rid of the truck. And I'm just gonna go back to my old school. My hoopty.
Your hoopty?
See you guys.
One of the best to ever do it.
Yeah.